Airlines just changed these rules, and travelers are not happy. Flying in 2026 just got a whole lot more complicated. Remember when booking a flight felt simple? You picked a destination, bought a ticket, packed a bag, and showed up at the airport. Those days seem to be disappearing faster than legroom in economy class. In 2026, airlines, airports, and government agencies have quietly rolled out a wave of changes that are already affecting millions of travelers. Ticket prices are climbing, bag fees are exploding, popular airline perks are disappearing, new scams are targeting unsuspecting passengers, and some of the biggest changes are happening so quietly that most travelers have no idea they're taking place. The frustrating part? Many of these changes mean travelers are paying more while receiving less. So before you book your next trip, there are 8 major airline and airport updates you need to know about. And trust me, some of these are going to make your blood pressure rise faster than a delayed boarding announcement. 1. Airfare prices have skyrocketed. Let's start with the one everyone has noticed. Flights have become expensive, really expensive. According to recent travel data, average airline ticket prices jumped roughly 20% compared to the previous year. 20%. That's not a minor increase. That's the difference between an affordable weekend getaway and a painful hit to your bank account. So what's causing it? The biggest factor is fuel costs. Airlines operate on incredibly thin profit margins, and when fuel prices rise, carriers waste no time passing those costs directly to passengers. In other words, when jet fuel gets expensive, your vacation gets expensive too. Unfortunately, there isn't much evidence suggesting fares will suddenly return to their previous levels. Travel experts recommend booking earlier than usual, remaining flexible with travel dates, and setting fare alerts through services like Google Flights so you can monitor price changes before they get worse. Because waiting for prices to magically drop may no longer be a winning strategy. 2. The end of Spirit Airlines is affecting everyone. Even travelers who never flew with Spirit Airlines are feeling the impact of its shutdown. At first glance, many people assumed the closure would only affect budget-conscious travelers, but that's not how airline competition works. Low-cost carriers play a crucial role in keeping larger airlines honest. When a budget airline operates a route, major airlines often lower their own fares to remain competitive. Nobody wants to charge double when travelers can simply choose the cheaper option. But when that low-cost competitor disappears, the pressure disappears too. And that's exactly what's happening. Without Spirit on many routes, airlines suddenly have more pricing power. Many travelers have already noticed fare increases in markets previously served by budget carriers. The lesson? Don't assume prices will eventually fall back to old levels. The competitive landscape has changed, and passengers are paying the price. 3. Bag fees are climbing, and technology is making it harder to avoid them. If you've ever squeezed an oversized suitcase through check-in without anyone noticing, your luck may be running out. Airlines have dramatically increased baggage fees, and now they're using technology to enforce the rules with incredible precision. Many airports have installed automated bag measuring systems capable of checking luggage dimensions down to the millimeter. There's no friendly employee making judgment calls, no tape measure, no negotiation. The machine measures, the computer decides, and your credit card pays. Exceed size limits by even a small amount, and you could face hefty oversized baggage charges on top of standard checked baggage fees. Some oversized bag penalties now reach hundreds of dollars per flight. That's enough to ruin the mood of any vacation before it even starts. The solution is simple. Measure your luggage at home, double-check your airline's baggage rules, and if you're checking a bag, pay online before arriving at the airport because it's almost always cheaper. 4. Airlines are removing perks while raising prices. This is the update frustrating many travelers the most. Normally, when prices go up, customers expect improvements, better service, more comfort, extra benefits. Instead, airlines are doing the opposite. Several carriers have reduced or eliminated perks that passengers previously enjoyed. Short domestic flights are seeing fewer complimentary snacks and beverages. Meanwhile, basic economy travelers are losing privileges that were once standard. Seat selection? Gone. Mileage earnings? Gone. Priority boarding? Not happening. Many passengers purchasing the cheapest tickets now find themselves boarding last when overhead bin space has already disappeared. The result? Travelers are paying more money for a less enjoyable experience, and unsurprisingly, many aren't thrilled about it. 5. Passenger complaints are actually changing policies. For once, there is some good news. Travelers are fighting back, and in some cases, they're winning. After significant public criticism, Southwest reversed parts of its customer of size policy. Larger passengers can once again receive a complimentary second seat at the gate when additional space is available. The change happened because customers made their voices heard, and that's not the only victory. The U.S. Department of Transportation has strengthened passenger protections by requiring airlines to provide a simplified summary of traveler rights. These summaries explain refund rights, flight cancellations, schedule changes, lost baggage procedures, and delay protections. Perhaps most importantly, automatic refund protections continue expanding. If an airline cancels your flight or significantly changes your itinerary, getting your money back is becoming easier. No endless customer service battles, no complicated loopholes, just a clearer path toward reimbursement. That's something every traveler can appreciate.
6. The FIFA World Cup is about to create travel chaos. If you're traveling during the FIFA World Cup period, pay attention. Millions of fans are expected to move between host cities across North America, and that means airports will be under tremendous pressure. Major connection hubs are expected to experience the biggest strain, particularly Dallas-Fort Worth, Chicago O'Hare, and New York JFK. These airports already handle enormous passenger volumes during the summer. Add a global sporting event into the mix, and delays become much more likely. Experts recommend allowing at least 90 minutes between connecting flights if you're traveling through these hubs. Could everything go smoothly? Absolutely, but giving yourself extra breathing room may save you from a missed connection nightmare. 7. Airport scams are becoming more sophisticated. Unfortunately, scammers are evolving just as quickly as technology. One growing threat involves fake QR codes. Criminals place counterfeit QR code stickers directly over legitimate airport signs. Passengers scan them thinking they're accessing airport services or booking information. Instead, they're redirected to fraudulent websites designed to steal personal and financial information. The rule is simple. If a QR code looks suspicious, damaged, crooked, or recently attached, don't scan it. Use official airport websites instead. But that's not the most disturbing scam. Investigators uncovered cases involving baggage tag manipulation. In these incidents, dishonest airport workers allegedly replaced legitimate baggage tags with tags connected to luggage containing illegal drugs. The innocent traveler's information then became linked to criminal cargo. Some passengers were reportedly detained upon arrival because authorities believed the drug-filled bag belonged to them. That's terrifying. To protect yourself, always verify your baggage receipt and tag numbers. Take a photo showing your suitcase, the baggage tag, and your baggage receipt. Then keep that photo until you've safely collected your luggage. It's a simple precaution that could prove invaluable. 8. TSA's medical marijuana update is creating confusion. One of the most misunderstood travel updates involves medical marijuana. Recent federal changes have caused TSA guidance to evolve. Certain approved medical cannabis products may now be permitted under specific conditions, but many travelers are misunderstanding what that means. Medical marijuana approval does not mean recreational marijuana is suddenly legal for air travel. It isn't. Recreational cannabis remains restricted under federal regulations, and some airports continue banning even certain medical cannabis products. Travelers carrying approved medical cannabis medications should keep products in original packaging, carry prescription documentation, bring medical authorization if applicable, and verify airline policies before flying, because regulations can differ significantly depending on location. 9. TSA is quietly undergoing major structural changes.
Most travelers haven't heard about this one. Behind the scenes, airport security itself is changing. One initiative involves private contractors handling portions of airport screening operations under TSA oversight. For travelers, the checkpoint experience may feel identical, but critics worry about private companies managing sensitive security systems and passenger data. At the same time, TSA is experimenting with something even more futuristic: remote airport security screening. In certain pilot programs, travelers complete security checks away from the airport and then travel directly to secured terminal areas. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, yet it's already being tested. Whether it becomes the future of air travel remains to be seen, but it's a development worth watching. Welcome to the future: robot bartenders and high-tech lounges. As if airport security wasn't changing fast enough, airport lounges are becoming increasingly futuristic. Some newly opened lounges now feature video game stations, advanced entertainment areas, and automated robotic bartenders. Yes, robots are now pouring drinks in airports. Somewhere, a science fiction writer is smiling. While travelers complain about rising fees and shrinking perks, airports seem determined to remind us that the future has officially arrived. Final thoughts. Travelers are paying more and watching closely. The travel industry is changing rapidly. Flights are more expensive, bag fees are increasing, perks are disappearing, scams are becoming smarter, and even airport security is evolving in ways most passengers don't realize. The good news? Knowledge is power. The more you understand these changes, the better prepared you'll be to avoid unexpected fees, protect yourself from scams, and navigate airports with confidence. Because in today's travel world, staying informed may be just as important as remembering your passport. So, what do you think? Are airlines asking travelers to pay more while giving less in return? Or are these changes simply the new reality of modern travel? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest airline updates, travel hacks, airport secrets, and money-saving tips. Safe travels, watch your baggage tags, double-check those fees, and we'll see you in the next adventure.